from FGEI EST BPS 14 Salt Paper Everyday Science portion. The paper was conducted on 12th October 2025. So question number 41. The red pigment in blood cells is called A. Chlorophyll, B. Hemoglobin, C. Myoglobin, D. Plasma. And the correct answer is B. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the iron containing protein in red blood cells that gives them their red colors and is responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Question number 42. Force is equal to mass into acceleration is A. Newton's first law, B. second law, C. third law, D. law of gravitation. And the correct answer is B. Newton's second law. Newton's second law of motion states that the force acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object multiplied by its acceleration. F is equal to m into A. Question number 43. Which gas causes acid rain? A. Oxygen, B. sulfur dioxide, C. carbon dioxide, D. nitrogen. And the correct answer is B. sulfur dioxide. The primary cause of acid rain is the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere, which reacts with air to form water to form sulfuric and nitric acids. Among the options, sulfur dioxide is the most direct and significant contributor. Question number 44. The powerhouse of cell is A. nucleus, B. ribosome, C. mitochondria, D. chloroplast. And the correct answer is C. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cells because they generate most of the cell's supply of ATP used as a source of chemical energy. Question number 45. Bronze is an alloy of A. copper and zinc, B. tin and iron, C. copper and tin, D. iron and carbon. And the correct answer is C. copper and tin. Bronze is a metal alloy primarily composed of copper and tin. Question number 46. Clouds float in the atmosphere because of A. low density, B. low temperature, C. high pressure, D. high altitude. And the correct answer is A. low density. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that are so small and spread out that they have a very low density. The upward force of air resistance balances the downward force of gravity, allowing them to float. Question number 47. Deficiency of iodine causes A. anemia, B. goiter, C. rickets, D. scurvy. And the correct answer is B. goiter. Iodine is essential for production of thyroid hormones. A deficiency causes the thyroid gland in the neck to enlarge, a condition known as goiter. Question number 48. The genetic material in cells is A. RNA, B. DNA, C. protein, D. chromosome. And the correct answer is B. DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the primarily genetic material in all living organisms, containing the instructions needed for an organism's development, survival, and reproduction. Question number 49. The theory of relativity was given by A. Newton, B. Einstein, C. Galileo, D. Faraday. And the correct answer is B. Einstein. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity, which consists of special relativity 1905 and general relativity 1915. Last question. Question number 50. The largest planet in the solar system is A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn, D. Venus. And the correct answer is B. Jupiter. Jupiter is by far the largest and the most massive planet in our solar system. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. I will upload the mail batch paper soon. Stay connected. Thank you.